How to connect and transfer video or photo to drone to your MacBook. I already insert my SD card to my drone, and for you need a USB cable. Just connect your USB cable to your Mac and the drone. Once you connect your USB with your drone, then here you can see light is turning on. Now you need to go your finder. Once you go to your finder, then here you can see the option under location. You can see your USB, and here is the USB. Now you need to go your DCIM, then DJI, this option, and then here you can see all images are available. For example, you want to transfer this one, then select this one. If you want to transfer multiple, you have to use your comment button, then press on copy, press on copy. Now go back to your MacBook. For example, I want to paste it in the home page. Now press on paste. All file will be transferred within short time. It's depend on total data size. Yeah, file is transferred successfully. This two. That's it. This is how you can easily transfer. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.